Hi guys, Fred Zinn here from Guaranty RV. Today I'm going to show you a 2019 Arctic Fox 990. Come on in, I'll show you the features. So when you come in the back here, you got your Fox landing gear that gives you 4 extra steps. When you come in here, you got one slide with your side-by-side dinette, folds down into a bed. You got your 2-door Northwood refrigerator and freezer. Got a little bit of storage here. Come on up here into the bedroom. You got storage on both sides for clothes. Got a nice 32-inch TV. Little storage on this side. Nice cupboard space. Get a nice deep stainless steel sink. Your microwave. You got a 3-burner stove, oven, and you got full extending drawers. Little place for a garbage can. And then you got slide out pantries and a little storage down below. This is the wet bath model, so it's all in one. Come on in here. You got your fantastic fan. Come on out and I'll show you the rest. You got a rear awning, this power awning that slides out. This does come with a generator. 2 7.5-gallon propane tanks. Guys, if you'd like more information on this 2019 Arctic Fox 990, give me a call. My name's Fred Zinn, 541-729-9500. Thanks for looking.